Hello and welcome back to Harriet's Custom Computer Art Plus. Today I'm going to show you an idea that I came up with at the spur of the moment. I'm working on a wedding and we're trying to keep the costs down. So I was going to show you how my sister and I came up with the idea to put together these serving trays for the candy table. We're responsible for the candy table. And so I'm going to show you really quickly how we put these together. These are just the bowls, the sets of bowls from the dollar store that you can get, the plain ones, and then these are the smaller, these are the plain ones, and these are the small ones, the small clear ones. And the colors are rose gold. So what we did was we purchased some rose gold paint so that we could paint the bases, the plastic paint for plastics. And on this one, to keep it shiny, because with if you spray it directly on the outside, it gives it this kind of antique look. But I wanted it to be shiny, so we decided to spray the inside, and then that way you have a shiny edge. And you can see the difference with the two. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put these together. And then just so that here's one of the shorter ones. We wanted some of the bases of the displays to be rose gold, and then the top's clear. And so that it looked neat inside, I had cut out some extra circles, because I also made an oversized checkers board and checkers game, and I had some of these left over from making the game. So to cover up where you attach it so that you're not looking at these little nubs, once I glue it together, I glue this one inside. So I'll show you right quickly on this one. And for the taller one, so that we could have some different heights. Let me zoom out a little bit. So we could have some different heights on these. I just took 3 of these and glued 2 together like this by gluing the edge. And then put this one end to end to make one of the bases for the taller one. But right now I'm going to just show you the shorter one. So what I do, I take the base. I have a terrible burn on the back of my hand. I'm trying to keep it hidden, but I forgot to put a band-aid on it. Hopefully nobody passes out from seeing it. So now I'm just going to get one of the clear bases, this one. I'm going to move everything else out of the way. And I'm just going to put some glue around the bottom of this one, and because it's clear, you can line this dot up, the center dot in there. I don't know if you can see it. There, you can see it now. I'm going to line it up with the dot on this one, which makes it perfectly centered, so you won't have to worry about it being off balance when you add your candies or whatever you might want to put into this. So I'm just going to hold it a little while until it sets. But this is a really inexpensive way. I think the paint was like $5 or $6 because it was the metallic rose gold, and you can of course get the paint to match any of your party decor. And all of these were just $1. I think it's $1 for 2 of this size, and I believe it was 4 of these for $1 or $1.25 at the $1.25 store. So once this one is set, and it won't take long, depending on how much hot glue you use. I'm going to let it set a little while longer because I have an extra hot glue gun going today. And I'm just going to take one of my rings. I'm looking for one that doesn't have any bends. So I'm going to take my ring, and for this one I used my tape gun. So I'm going to use my tape gun to put some glue on, some tape on this one And then that way, if I don't get it directly centered the first time, I can re-center it. So I'm just putting 3 strips going in the horizontal and vertical direction. And then I'm just going to take my bowl up, and I'm just eyeballing to put that in the center. Needs to go over a little bit. And just flatten it out. And this paper was purchased, I think it was at Michael's. You get the whole package, comes with 25 sheets, and it is, this is the rose gold foil, and this is cuttable on the Cricut. It's just like a cardstock, and you can get these in different colors of rose gold, bronze, different metallic shades. So now we have a nice rose gold and clear serving tray or serving display for our candy table. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and let me know if you try these out. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the project. Also, don't forget to hit the bell if you'd like to be notified the minute I have up new tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll put a picture of how this looks at the end of the tutorial. I'll see you next time.